Hi guys. Today I'm going to be playing Roblox Rivals.
Yeah, I'm playing the troll lobby.
My brother's playing Troll Lobby, but whatever. So let's hop on. Yeah, okay, let's check.
Yeah,
I'm gonna ask my brother to join me. Hey guys, I need to share something. I'm a proud server. You know how we're able to put free for all mode. So I decided to make a route. I don't know if it's good or bad, but let's just check it out one time. So okay, let me just load in. Hurry up, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, Rebels. Let's check if they know when my first god is. Close, but no. First, let me claim this. Thank you. 3 keys. Default. Legacy dogs. This is the OG dogs. I just hope my brother doesn't join me because he's gonna start crying. Okay, this is gonna be the squad I was talking about. I would say Warhammer pretty much, but if you can either change this to knife, but I prefer hands, so
no fighting.
yeah, sure. What is this screen?
That sounds like me.
Patty Cave?